Hey guys, today I've got a quick tutorial showing you how I did my Magpie Monthly Challenge nails. If you don't know what the Magpie Monthly Challenge is, this is a new monthly challenge. As the hashtag says, that Magpie is running. Sarah is going to post a picture every month, a different picture for us to take inspiration from. January's picture was my month, so I'm gonna pop the image that I chose on this video for you guys to see, and it's been so nice seeing everybody's recreations on Instagram and Facebook. So if you are taking part, remember to use the hashtag Magpie Monthly Challenge so we can follow you guys on Instagram and see your work, and keep an eye out on the page for February's challenge. So this is the design that I'm going to be showing you. You can't really see it on this camera, you'll see it on the side view. I've done so many different sets of nails using the Magpie Monthly Challenge picture, but I posted a couple on the Facebook group and this was the one that you guys wanted to see. I need to apologise for the state of this tutorial because it's my third time recording it and I still managed to mess it up. I did the inkies in the wrong order, so I'm going to do a wee breakdown on the screen of the written tutorial of how it should be done. Anyways, thanks so much for watching and I'll hopefully see you in my next video. Bye!